Think about the last time someone asked you, "Tell me about your family." Did you smile? Did your heart feel warm? Or did you panic because you didn't know the English words?
Family is the most personal topic in the world. And today, we are going to help you talk about your family in English. Naturally, from the heart. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the EasyLingo English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Paul. So happy you are here with us today.
Every week, Paul and I have a real, natural conversation in English, just like two friends talking, so you can listen, learn, and feel comfortable with English.
No textbooks, no scary grammar, just real life, real conversations.
And today's topic, it is one of my absolute favorites.
Mine too. It's so personal, so warm.
Today, we are talking about how to talk about your family in English. Yes, because family is usually one of the very first things people ask about. Do you have brothers or sisters? Are your parents from here? What does your dad do? And for many learners, they understand the question, but answering, that's where it gets hard.
So today, we fix that. Together, step by step.
But before we start, please do us a small favor. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel. It truly helps us so much.
And if you enjoy this video, give it a like. Just one tap, but it means everything.
And share this with a friend or family member who is also learning English. Learning together is always more beautiful.
Always. Okay, Anna, I want to start with something simple. How do you introduce your family in English? Where do you even begin?
Great question. The simplest way is to start with the size. How many people are in your family?
Yes. You can say, "I have a small family," or "I have a big family." And then you go from there.
For example, I have a small family. There are 4 of us. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me.
That's perfect. Short, clear, natural.
And then people can ask you more questions from there.
Exactly. Now, let's go through the most important family words, the vocabulary. Paul, let's do this together.
Ready. Let's go. Mother or mom.
My mom is very kind.
Father or dad.
My dad makes everyone laugh.
Sister.
I have one older sister.
Brother.
My brother is very tall.
Grandmother or grandma.
My grandma makes the best food in the world.
That is true for every grandma everywhere.
It really is. Every grandma thinks her food is the best. And honestly, they are all right.
Grandfather or grandpa.
My grandpa loves to tell old stories.
Aunt.
My aunt lives in another city.
Uncle.
My uncle is very funny.
Cousin.
I have 5 cousins on my mom's side.
And then we have husband, wife, son, daughter.
Those are for when you have your own family. My husband loves cooking. My daughter is 3 years old.
Now, once you know the words, the next step is describing your family members. Because it's not just about saying, I have a sister. It's about bringing her to life, making the person feel like they know her.
Yes, that's where it gets really interesting. So, how do you describe someone in English?
There are two main ways. First, you describe how they look. And second, you describe their personality, who they are as a person.
Let's start with looks. You can say, she is tall. He has brown hair. She has blue eyes. He looks just like our dad.
Oh, I love that last one. He looks just like our dad. That's so real, so natural.
It's something people actually say every day. And you can also say, she is older than me, or he is the youngest in the family.
The youngest, the oldest. Those are very useful words when talking about siblings.
Now, for personality, you can use simple adjectives. She is kind. He is funny. She is very quiet. He is loud.
Every family has a loud one.
Every single family. And you can combine looks and personality. For example, my brother is tall with dark hair, and he is very funny. He makes everyone laugh at dinner.
See how alive that sounds? You can almost picture the brother.
That's the goal. Don't just say the word. Paint a little picture.
Anna, tell me about your family. Really, like we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, so I have a medium-sized family. There are 5 of us. My mom, my dad, my 2 brothers, and me.
Are you the oldest? The youngest?
I am the only girl, and I am the middle child.
Oh, the middle child. The classic middle child.
Yes. My older brother, his name is Carlos. He is very serious, very responsible. He is an engineer, and he always has a plan for everything.
I like Carlos already.
He is great. And my younger brother, his name is Miguel. He is the complete opposite. Very relaxed, very funny. He can make you laugh with just one look.
That's a beautiful family, Anna.
Thank you. And my parents. My mom is a teacher. She is very patient, very warm. She is the heart of our family. And my dad, he is a little quiet, but when he speaks, everyone listens. He is very wise.
That's really beautiful. I could picture all of them.
Thank you. Family is everything to me. Now you go, Paul. Tell me about yours.
Okay, so my family is smaller. Just 3 of us. My mom, my dad, and me. I'm an only child.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, so I had my parents' full attention. Which sounds nice, but it also meant there was nobody to blame when something broke in the house.
No siblings to blame. That's hard.
Very hard. My mom, she is creative.
She loves art. She paints watercolors on weekends. And my dad, he is very calm, very steady. He worked as a carpenter for 30 years. He made things with his hands. And he taught me that anything worth doing takes patience.
I love that. Anything worth doing takes patience.
He said it all the time.
See, everyone, this is what we mean. When you talk about your family, don't just say their job or their age. Share a little story. Share a feeling. That's what makes English feel real.
Exactly. And now let's teach some very useful phrases for talking about family. Repeat after us.
I come from a big family.
She is the oldest of 3 sisters.
He takes after our dad. That means he looks or acts like his dad.
We are very close. That means your family has a strong, loving relationship.
She means the world to me.
He is my role model. That means you look up to him. You want to be like him.
We don't see each other often, but when we do, it feels like no time has passed.
That one is so true.
It really is. That's the magic of family.
Let's do our vocabulary spotlight now. 7 key words for talking about family.
Number 1, close. As in, we are very close. It means you have a strong, warm relationship.
Number 2, strict. My dad was very strict. It means he had firm rules. He was serious about discipline.
Number 3, supportive. My mom is very supportive. It means she always helped me and believed in me.
Number 4, only child. I am an only child. No brothers or sisters.
Number 5, take after. She takes after her mom. It means she looks or acts like her mom.
Number 6, look up to. I really look up to my older sister. It means you admire someone. You respect them deeply.
Number 7, extended family. My extended family is huge. Extended family means grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, everyone beyond the immediate family.
Let's repeat them together one more time, slowly.
Close,
Strict.
supportive,
Only child.
take after,
Look up to.
extended family.
Beautiful.
Now let's do a short practice conversation. I'll ask you some family questions. And everyone watching, practice answering them too, out loud. Don't just think the answer. Say it.
Ready, Paul. Ask me.
Anna, do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a medium-sized family. There are 5 of us.
Are you the oldest or the youngest?
I'm the middle child. I have 1 older brother and 1 younger brother.
Who do you look up to most in your family?
My mom. She is so patient and so strong. She always believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself.
That's really beautiful. Do you live close to your family?
Not right now. I live far from them. But we call each other every week. And when we are together, it feels like home.
See how natural that was? Simple sentences, real feelings. That's all you need.
And now, it's your turn. Pause this video and practice answering these questions yourself, out loud, in English.
How many people are in your family?
Who are you closest to in your family?
What is one word to describe your mom or dad?
And who do you look up to most?
Practice those. Say them to yourself, or say them to a friend. Because the more you say them, the more natural they feel.
Paul, before we finish, I want to ask you something.
Of course.
What is one memory with your family that you will never forget?
There's one. Every Sunday when I was little, my dad would cook breakfast. The same breakfast every week. Eggs, pancakes, orange juice. And he would play old music in the kitchen. And we would all just sit together. No phones, no TV, just us.
That's so precious.
I didn't know how precious it was then. But now, I would give anything to have one more of those Sunday mornings.
That's the thing about family moments. You don't always know how important they are until they become memories.
Exactly.
Dear friends, family is one of the richest topics in any language. And in English, you now have the words to share yours, to talk about the people who shaped you, who loved you, who made you who you are.
Don't be afraid to share your family story in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real.
And real is always enough.
Now, your challenge for today. Go to the comments and tell us one thing about a family member. Just one sentence. For example,
My mom is very kind, and she loves cooking.
my brother makes me laugh every single day.
My grandma is my biggest inspiration.
Write it. We will read it. And we would love to meet your family through your words.
If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone you love.
We will be back very soon with another warm, natural English conversation just for you.
Until then, call your family. Tell them you love them.
In any language, but especially in English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.